Hello there, this is Muhammad Adnan. We chatted a while ago on WhatsApp about Sender 3.0.0 new update. Let me show you some interesting things about this software. It is where you put WhatsApp numbers of the pupils you want to send messages to. Here you have two options. You can manually type each WhatsApp number or phone number there, like I am typing 92186 like this, or simply paste the copied number using the right click option. Click here and click on copy paste numbers, and control V. You can put import there all of your numbers that you have been copied from anywhere. An alternative choice is to upload Excel file just like this, and all of your number will be imported here. Here you can copy paste or write your message. Click on add file, and you can add any type of file like photo, any RAR file, any software file, any video, like everything. It's supported to everything. Okay, and here you can type second message. Here you can third message, fourth and fifth. It supported five messages. Okay, here you can set your delay setting and click on start campaign. Here you have to write a campaign name, or you can just click on start, it will be started. So it is good to have campaign name. Just start. In this way your WhatsApp will automatically open. If it doesn't, you can click to initiate here, and it will be initiated like this. Or once you initiated, click here at start, and your campaign will be begin to send your messages like this. I send to this number, and your campaign will be show here like it is succeed, and message has been sent. Now let's explore other features of this software. You have ability to extract group members. If you are a part of WhatsApp group, you can use this function to gather members and download in Excel file. You can send your upload your Excel file here and send group members separately your message whatever you want to send them. And this function is used to grab WhatsApp group links from websites and download in Excel file. Next, you can use this tool. You can upload here Excel file containing the group links you previously downloaded by using this tool. Once you have collected group links from websites and uploaded the file here, the software will automatically initiate a process to join the group you have gathered. The tool name is Auto Group Joiner. Next, you can create a autoresponder bot by using WhatsApp autoresponder bot. The next tool is contact list grabber, that you can use to grab your contact list in Excel file and download it and save somewhere to use in your future or something like that. Moving to the next tool, we have the Google Map data extractor. For example, you have wholesale items, and you are looking for retailers who can purchase in bulk and sell at a retail price. Let's say you have medical tools or beauty cosmetics in wholesale. You can use this tool to search for relevant retailers such like beauty parlors in your city, like in Karachi. Like I am searching here cosmetics in Karachi. Yeah, beauty parlors. Beauty parlors in Karachi. I will start add and search. By utilizing this tool, you can extract various information from Google Map like this. I will start. You can grab by this email ID also and images also of their store or beauty parlor. So I will not click on that and start grabbing. Here we go. Look this. You can extract their parlor name, phone number, their review, rating, and check their category, address, website, email ID, closing hours, and Instagram profile, Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile, Twitter profile, or if you will grab on image, there will be show the address of image that will saved in your PC. I stopped it after grabbing three numbers. You can do more. Now you can export it as Excel file in your PC, like for their numbers, names, and all other stuffs of there. If you want just their numbers, you can click here to import number, and your number will import here. You can do marketing and whatever stuff you want to do. Let's move to next tool. Here is WhatsApp number filter. You can check which number have WhatsApp on their which number available on WhatsApp and which are not. And here is a grab active group member. You can grab numbers from your WhatsApp group. Those people are active right now. That type of stuff. Next we have grab chat list tool. We can use this to download phone numbers from our chat list and in Excel file and resend our ads to them or something like that. And here is bulk add group member. Here is bulk group generator. You can generate your group from here and upload Excel sheets of numbers and Excel files of numbers, and you can set a timer and automatically add those numbers in your groups. And this is group finder. You can use this to find groups in your chat. And here is last tool, Google Contacts CSV generator. You can upload uh, numbers Excel file, okay, and generate random names from here and export as a Google Contacts CSV file, okay. And here you can send automatically your messages in all WhatsApp groups. And here we have Wasender 3.0.0 new tool. We can click here and go to from Chrome to built-in browser and save it, and you can use like this different accounts. This feature grants you capability to link multiple WhatsApp account 3, 4, 5, or 6, or depending on your needs. You can easily switch without log out one and log in other. This is gonna be so easy to use, and no need to log out one and log in other. Just switch and use whenever whichever WhatsApp you want to.